Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back. Today I'm back with a very informative video for you all. In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between almost similar words. I, me, mine, myself. Well, they are all used to define one thing, that is the first person. Suppose I'm talking about me. So these are the words that you use to describe yourself. I, me, mine, and myself. They are very simple words, but sometimes what happens that while speaking in English, we get confused where to use what. Like they have a very slight difference. There is a slight difference between each and every one of these words. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you where to use which word and give you some examples for your better explanation. So first, let's begin with the simplest word in English language, that is I. Well, it's obvious. I know that you all know the meaning of I and where do we use it. It's used as a subject, means it is the doer of the action, right? I play cricket. Who is the doer? I play cricket. So the doer of the action is I, and I is always used as the subject, okay? And remember what parts of speech it is? It is a pronoun. Now, let me give you some examples of sentences with I. I gave a pen to Riti. I have completed my homework. I love to read books. I plan to visit the museum tomorrow. Riti and I are going to the park. So in the last sentence, if you have seen that there are two subjects, right? I mean, Riti and I, the entire thing is the subject. And here remember that what do we use? We use I, because as it is the subject, it doesn't matter whoever is there. Probably I can use my brother and I, my sister and I, but it is acting as a subject, so we are going to use I. So if Riti and this word was not there, it would have been I am going to the park, right? And if we add Riti and I are going to the park. So this is how you form sentences with plural subjects. So this was I. Now the next one is me. Well, just like I, me is also a pronoun. Then where is the difference? How will we understand where to use I and where to use me? So here is the case. Me is always used as the object. Means the receiver of the action. Someone else is the subject, or you might also be the subject, but you are the object. You are the receiver of the action of the subject, action by the subject. When you are going to use yourself as an object, then you use me. I am explaining it to you with an example. Riti gave a pen to me. Okay, in I, we took the example, I gave a pen to Riti. Here I is the subject, but here in this sentence, Riti gave a pen to me. What is the object? Me is the object. Riti gave you a pen. Riti gave me a pen. So Riti gave a pen to me. Me is the object. Here we don't use I. Riti gave a pen to I. No, this is completely wrong. We use me as the object. Some more examples are, they invited me to their wedding. See, me is the object. Can you please pass me the salt? Mom baked cookies for me. Me is the object here. That dog is following me and my brother. Just in the same way, we have two objects. The object is plural, me and my brother. But as we are using it as an object, we will not use I. Okay, the dog is following I and my brother. No, it is completely wrong. The dog is following me and my brother. So this is the difference between I and me. Now let's move to the third one, that is my. Okay, my is used when we define possession. This is my pen. Okay, what am I saying here? This pen belongs to me. Belongs, possession, ownership. This is where we use mine. Okay, this is my pen. It is used to describe possession. And remember, my is used always before a noun. Okay, why am I telling you this? Because the next pronoun is mine, and mine is used after a noun. If you get confused between these two differences, remember, my is used before a noun. Okay, let me give you an example. This is my phone. Phone is the noun, my is used before the noun. This is my phone. Okay, this phone is mine? No, this is my phone. I can't find my purse anywhere. My purse. My mother is the best cook in the world. My mother. My favorite color is purple. I always brush my teeth before going to bed. Here, my teeth. Whose teeth? My teeth. It describes possession. So this was mine. Now let's go to mine. M-I-N-E. Well, there is a very slight difference because both are used to describe possession. My and mine, both are used to describe possession. But then what's the difference? As I already told you before, mine is used before a noun. Mine is used after a noun. Okay, it doesn't require a noun. Means after it. Let me give you the example. We took this is my phone as an example, right, in mine. So how do we form this sentence using mine? This phone is mine. You get it right? Phone, after that we are using mine. This is my phone. Before noun, after noun. A very simple difference, yet slight. So just remember this much, that my is used before noun, mine is used after the noun. This phone is mine. Okay. This sandwich is not mine. That blue water bottle is mine. This book is not yours, it is mine. Your pen is blue, but mine is black. Well, here you might think in the last example, where is the noun? Well, basically this sentence is, your pen is blue, but my pen is black. My pen is black. But sometimes when we are using these type of sentences, we can switch the my phone, we can replace the my pen with mine. Okay, your pen is blue, but my pen is black, or you can say, but mine is black. It means the same. Your pen is blue, but mine is black. Okay, so you can use mine in this type of sentences as well. So this was the difference between my and mine. Now the last one is myself. Well, myself is used completely in a different way than the previous four words. What is myself actually? It is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, myself is used when the subject and object both are me. I am the subject as well as the object. I am the subject, I am the object. I am doing the work, I am also receiving the work. Okay, so that is when you use myself. You also use myself to emphasize that you are doing this yourself. So see, yourself, myself. I did this myself. Okay, I am the subject, I am the object. So this is where we use myself. I made these cookies myself. I can do it myself. I often talk to myself. I drew this painting myself. I went to the store by myself. So when we use by myself, remember we can also use alone there. Means nobody else is there. Just I am going to the store. So I went to the store alone. I went to the store by myself. Okay, that is also where you use myself. And remember that without the myself also the sentence means the same. I can do it myself and I can do it, both are the same. But we use myself just to emphasize that I can do it myself. I don't need anyone's help. So see, we use myself for emphasis. I can do it myself. So this is the difference between I, me, my, mine and myself. I hope you understood these words and where they are used, and I hope you will have no confusion with these words. Now is the time for a short quiz. As you can see in the screen, you have a few questions. So make sure to answer these questions in the comment box below. I'd eagerly be waiting for your answers. And these questions are just basically to check your understanding on how much you understood this entire topic. So pause this video, solve these questions and answer them down in the comment box below. Okay? So this was for today. If you like this video, click on the like button. And if you found this video informative and want more such informative videos like this, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family. That's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.